So what I would say to fellow Catholics is do not be afraid to be different. Do not be afraid to be different. Ako, I really like to establish with my friends na look, ganito ako. Katoliko ako. You will be disagreeing with me. Okay, let's agree to disagree. I will not force you to believe in me. You will not force me to believe in you. But I will have zeal. I have zeal with my heart, knowing that the Lord loves us and that the Lord wants to love you too. So I would say to Catholics, do not be afraid to be different in the culture. In fact, we need you to be different. Kaya nga sinabi yung salt of the earth eh. Kaya nga asin. Yung maalat, lumilitaw yung lasa. Yung maalat, laging lumilitaw yung lasa. Mapapansin mo agad, hindi siya part ng hindi siya part ng sistema. Hindi siya part ng normal currency ng mga bagay-bagay. And so be it. Sabay-sabay tayo. Diba? But always remember, hindi ka nag-iisa.